Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a pizza fanatic who dreams of restaurant quality pies at home but hates the hassle of traditional ovens that take forever to heat or lack that smoky flavour, then get fired up because today we're baking with a backyard game changer. It's the Ninja Woodfire outdoor pizza oven. This electric marvel reaches 700 degrees Fahrenheit for crispy crusts in under 3 minutes, uses wood pellets for authentic smoke, and doubles as a multi-cooker for grilling, baking, and more. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want effortless outdoor cooking with pro results for pizzas, roasts, or smoked meats without gas or charcoal mess, this is the oven that'll make your gatherings legendary. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's a Woodfire must-have in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Ninja Woodfire outdoor pizza oven. This is a portable electric oven with a terracotta finish for a sleek look, measuring 21 inches wide by 15 deep by 15 high, weighing about 22 pounds for easy moving with integrated handles. It plugs into a standard outlet and uses a convection fan for even heat distribution up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, preheating in just 15 minutes for quick starts. The integrated smoker box holds wood pellets to infuse food with real smoke flavour without open flames. And it has 8 cooking functions: pizza, max roast up to 700 degrees, gourmet roast at 500 degrees, top heat for broiling, bake, smoker at low temps for hours, dehydrate, and keep warm. The pizza stone is 13 by 13 inches for personal pies, and accessories include a pellet scoop, pro heat tray for grilling, and a pizza peel for easy handling. It's weather resistant with IPX4 rating for light rain, and the app connects via Bluetooth for temperature monitoring, timers, and recipe guides. Cleaning is simple with removable parts and a self-clean cycle using high heat to burn off residue. Priced around $299, it comes with a starter pack of all-natural wood pellets for immediate use. Versatility is a standout. Make Neapolitan pizzas with bubbly cheese in minutes, smoke ribs low and slow for tender results, or bake cookies with even heat. It's great for backyard chefs wanting one device for multiple cooking styles without needing multiple appliances. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are firing strong. Rapid 700-degree heat for authentic wood-fired pizza in under 3 minutes. Versatile 8 functions for pizza grilling, smoking, and more in one unit. Easy electric operation with wood pellet smoke for flavour without fire hassle. Portable, lightweight design with accessories for quick setups, and app integration for guided cooking with recipes and monitoring. Users love how it delivers pizzeria quality pies at home, the simple cleanup that beats traditional ovens, and the smoke infusion that elevates everyday meals. It's reliable, fun, and turns novice cooks into pros. On the con side, the 22-pound weight might feel bulky for some portability. Limited to electric power, so no off-grid use without a generator. The smoker box needs refilling for long cooks. And some note, learning the perfect pellet amount takes practice, though most say the app helps. Overall, pros dominate for home cooks. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Ninja Woodfire outdoor pizza oven if you love outdoor cooking. And the pros like fast heat, versatility, and smoke flavour make sense for you. It's ideal for pizza enthusiasts, families, or entertainers wanting restaurant results without the restaurant bill. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your oven firing, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a pizza pal, or subscribe for more. See you next time.